I help coaches build membership programs so they can have a monthly recurring income by charging their students $97 per month for their coaching services, for their community, their course, the group coaching course. And today I speak with one of my new members, and I am gonna share with you this live coaching session so you can see how I think when it comes to signing the first few people, paying you the monthly fees and getting your membership coaching program up. Just real quick intro. Vincent just started yesterday working with me, and he's going through my 3 steps of getting towards signing the first few people paying him, right? Step 1 is usually creating your membership offer. This is the one that we overview with him on this coaching session call today. Secondly, you want to set up a Skool platform so you can host your membership program after you decided on your offer, right? And then thirdly, after he's gonna have these 2 things done, we will move into the module of signing the first 5 people paying him. The luckiest thing with Vincent is that he said to me yesterday that he already has more than 5, 6, 7 people who he knows that they're gonna pay him $97 per month only when he is ready to accept them.
Yeah, I actually, thank God, I have 5 people already in the group who, once I change it to a paid membership, I know they will be willing to pay.
But you cannot accept people paying you if you didn't really decide what you're gonna help them with. You did not put a Skool app up so you can charge them $97 a month. You didn't select the price point and all these kind of things. So you gotta go through these first 2 steps first before you can sign anyone paying you, right? So enjoy this tutorial session right now and see and learn how it is to go through my course to get yourself being paid through monthly recurring subscriptions and run a membership coaching program, right? And if you would like access to my course where I teach you these 3 steps completely for free, find the link down below this video. Join my free Skool community and access my free course so you can put it all up for yourself as well. The course is free.
I went through the recommendations that you gave.
Okay, so I'll give you some feedback on that right now live together so you can adjust your offer a little bit. Are you gonna need to record then those modules, some few videos?
Yes, yeah, I need to do that. I haven't done that yet. So.
All right, so we're gonna try to push through that because even Leonardo, when we started a few weeks or a month or 2 ago, I don't know, he wrote the course lessons and then he just recorded those videos. So you can put them then in the Skool classroom and they're there, right? This will need to be done simultaneously right now while you're gonna need to set the settings of your Skool now, Vincent, as well. So it's all nice and polished and you upload that course there and then you have those 2 things done and then you go to this stage of, hey, let's reach out to those people now, right?
So for the recordings, I can definitely make some recordings tonight once we finish with our setup.
Yeah, we'll discuss that, sure. So Vincent, we'll overview your offer posts real quickly and your course structure, okay? Could you share your screen? What I want all of us to know is, can we in the first sentence or so focus on one juicy out? How can you tell someone right now that you help them completely transform their life? Like you install freaking energy into their life, right? So let's overview that. To bring your desires to life, gain clarity and boost productivity, right? So now my question is, how can we make this even more juicy? Bring your desires to life. Can you say right now in there as well? You need to make this very juicy. Like, hey, you can hire me, whatever, right? I'll help you become happy freaking right now.
Okay.
It's not actually right now, but it's like, hey, right freaking now, everything's going to change for you. You're going to be connected to the source right now, to your soul, which are your next step. Of course, you're going to need to help them and work with them then. But, that's how I did mine, right? Hey, we need to get you signed your first 5 people as well soon, right now. Because then everything changes for you, all right?
Right.
So we need to focus on one out to bring your desires to life. You can think like, how could I make this even more fun? Maybe bring could be the word manifest, or how framework to reconnect to your soul and manifest your best life right now.
Yeah.
Figure out how can you create something so powerful, so juicy that can be communicated in a very short sentence, all right?
Okay.
welcome to the Skool community here. You will build a membership program on Skool and sign the first 5 members paying you so you can have a monthly recurring income. So that's my, focus. That's what I'm driving for. Can someone create a monthly recurring income by signing 5 and so on? So you see, I needed a long time to figure out this statement. It's a little long, but come on, it's actually very on point.
Yeah.
It tells those 3 things. You will do this by signing few people paying you so you can have that outcome, right? I mean, I've worked a long time on those, and then I have 3 sharp steps and then the rest, right? Which is just to be there, right? This community is for you if, right? This, you're gonna probably not have space to put on the about page.
Right, yeah.
All right? Because it's only like how much? Look, only this much.
Okay. Oh, I see.
Maybe this one allows me another 100 characters, maybe, to have a longer sentence here. But that's how much it allows you, to be honest. I couldn't do too much more, right?
Okay.
But yeah, one statement, real quick, sharp to the point. Okay, cool. The 3 mini steps, some ninja steps, no worries. And this is what you're gonna get, and then what's next, right?
Okay.
So that's the point of this exercise.
I'll model after that.
Yeah. To be honest, chug the whole things out that you don't need and try to copy it to your about page to see the length and just work on it on that page then, all right?
Okay.
Because we don't need this document that you're working in.
Okay.
You don't need that document. You need this. That's why we are doing this, all right? But that document was a template. You need this about page. You need to write here, all right?
Okay.
So work from here from now onwards, but copy what you already worked on here, all right? I want to give you feedback on the 3 modules real quick, all right?
Okay.
So you put the one that you first decide on what your dream life would be first, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep. I switched it and put that one there as you recommended.
So this is how I understand this as a viewer right now. Okay, cool. I am going to learn now, decide on what my life should look like first.
Okay.
Then I'm going to learn that if I master my soul, I'm going to actually be able to get there and be happy and be reconnected or so, right? Maybe. And then I am going to start working on reconnecting to my soul by breaking my limitations, beliefs, and whatever is blocking me, right? Maybe.
That's right.
And then I'm going to become a ninja at the end. Like, hey, I'll make this happen. I will be relentless, unstoppable, and whatever. I mean, does that make sense a little bit?
Perfect. You just said it exactly.
Yeah, so how I overview these things is like I make my own language from what I see, okay? And then your language will be similar, but of course different. And so look, you have these 4 modules now, 4 steps.
Yeah.
That's very good structure. I don't need to overview this down below too much here because it's all templated, but this you will see it's going to need to be a little shorter because otherwise you're going to just decrease the words, just make it simple.
Okay.
And the rest, you're going to also shorten it. You will see how much it can sit on your Skool, all right? But the bottom part is good. These 4 steps we need to talk about right now because you need to know what's your next step now.
Okay.
In the course, right? Just so we know. Go to the My Skool. You go to the classroom. We are completing this. By the way, simultaneously, I need you to work on this one as well, all right? Because you can. Because one of those things is putting a membership offer in your about page. That's one task.
Okay.
You go to set up your Skool. To be honest, those 2 I'll make you green so you know where you're at, all right? You are here now for that. You did that. You now need to adjust your Skool general info and add your Skool price and connect Stripe just follow this guy's video here. It shows you and it takes you through all of the tutorial tasks and templates down below here. You see general info in the settings, right? General info.
Okay.
Make sure you have those things, all right?
Love it. Yeah.
I
love that you have screenshots that you makes it straight.
Yeah, and in my video, I go through those as well. I scroll down just to explain it to you. But you just do those 4, 5, 6 things. This is too easy. This can be done in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Anyone here. Yeah, and we got to check this off.
Okay.
This task right now here is very much related to a video that I am working on right now for my YouTube channel and for my Premium Life Advanced course. Let me tell you what it's called. Here in the classroom of our mastermind group, these down here are all automated systems that we can have later in place for automatic growth. There are tools here through which we can passively get more members come to us. Let's say have a YouTube channel that can be building your email list. That's the bottom line. Why I'm saying this is because the first system that you need to have is how to be able to automatically accept members.
Okay.
And that's related to the Skool page that I'm showing you right now. And this is the course lesson I'm working on today. I'm going to record a video on that. And it tells you, so Vincent, remember yesterday we started working together. Remember how there was all the steps for you already ready to take on your own.
Yeah.
You received an email. You were welcomed in, let's say. You knew which video to complete next and so on, whatever, right? You know, you came to a group call just today because you added it to your calendar.
That's right.
Right. Those were steps that every one of us needs to have for our new members.
Okay.
And I'm teaching this in this module. The video will be up tomorrow, but the point that I'm making is it's related to this task that you need to complete.
Okay.
Because if you didn't have the settings of your school ready, if you don't have a price there, someone can pay you $97 right now.
Yeah.
Imagine right now, no one can pay you. Because that was, you know what I mean? That's what we need. You need to have a welcome post. So someone pays in, it reads that post, and they know what to do next. And they introduce themselves, you know what I mean? Automated DM, your course in the classroom, for example, and weekly calls, right? Accessible to that person. So that's a system. That's why we can run this program. And that's one of the first systems that we all need to have in place, right?
Yeah.
Before we will do the email list building, YouTube channel, running workshops for whatever, building a team, all of those systems that I'm teaching in the other steps later for after. So anyway, okay, now you know why we're doing all of this, all right?
Yep.
These gotta be done. That's part of like, hey, put your offer here on the order page, all right?
Okay.
Where were we now, right? So that's pretty much it. You're gonna go back here and work on that one. So you move to 100, and here I need to show you as well where you're at, because that's done. You decided on the outcome already even before we started. You wrote out now an offer description and you have done it, all right? Just put it on Skool, all right? And shorten it. Here is where you are at now, okay? This one you can work on today. Those 4 modules that you created, for each of them, you need to write 3 mini topics, bullet points.
Okay.
You need to be able to teach me in 5 minutes video.
Okay.
How can I redesign my life? And to be honest, I should work on edit this course in on my computer and add the topic 4 here, a mini task for me. You need to give 1 page of that content plan. No, content. Your planner. You remember the thing that you have, the tool?
Yeah.
Out of that one, you need to find a 1-pager task to complete.
Okay.
So someone designs their life.
Okay.
I used to do this for myself, to be honest. I have something called on my computer. I'll just show it to you real quickly. It's called a vision board that I filled in. So you see, this was one of my tools when I was designing my life.
Okay.
You know, and you could have a task like this. Hey, okay, you have a spiritual growth, you have career growth, what do you want? And you have social, who you want to be socially or whatever, and physical reality. I don't know. That was my task, right?
Yeah.
And you could have a task. Hey, create yourself a vision board for, I don't know. I have even another task that I did myself. I wrote those things out instead, right? 3 modules. Can you open that template I'm giving you on top, right? This is a template to write out your course and make a copy to your computer. Right? And then please link now this doc to your folder of either Premium Life or DCM, which one ever, right? Because this is now, you can write out your course into this, all right?
Okay.
Just so you know, you can later share screen to a video and teach through this document. Okay. Or there is also, I give another template.
Loom.
Via Loom, you could just share screen and teach module 1 for 5 minutes.
Okay.
If you want. I mean, that's one way. There is so many ways of how to record a course, right? But that's one way. It's up to you. The other way is, if you go back to the classroom, down below there is access to my Canva slides template. That one, right? I mean, you could import these Canva slides into your Canva, and then you can create your course visuals via this template. Anyway, these are just two simple templates, right? Like I needed to make it very neutral for everyone if someone really doesn't know how to create a course slides, right? And Vincent, that is the third way. You could just talk to the camera if you want. Have those notes, know what to talk, and then just talk to the camera and no need for share screen. I'm just saying that there is ways to just record. I need you to talk and that's it. That's what we want. Just talk, yeah, because when the person is gonna watch you talking, their mind will already start doing the things. You know what I mean? All right. You can write out your course this way. Just keep it simple. This first course gotta be short, simple, because later you're gonna need to do another version anyway.
Okay.
When you get feedback from the clients, the members, right? And you might need to improve and shift, but the first one gotta be there, like introduction video, module 1 video, module 2, 3, 4, and so, and at the end summary, right? Maybe 4, 5, 6 videos, 5 minutes each, whatever. And then anyway, so many options, all right? Questions about these ideas?
It sounds perfect. I love it. So I got some tasks and I'll start working on them right away.
So you see, Vincent, if you go through these 2 humps right now, like finish the freaking course or so, maybe then schedule time for tomorrow or the Sunday, just record it like whoop, quick, no worries. And Skool optimization. And then next week we are totally ready to do the
technical stuff.
To do the signups and stuff, all right?
Yeah. Okay.
And even the technical stuff, you're right. I need to still give you a software. I think I'm gonna wait till our meeting Monday or Tuesday for the software, all right?
Okay. Sounds good.